Respected sir and ma'am, a present good morning to one and all. This is T. Lokshit Royal. I am pursuing 6th grade at Lokshit Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I am telling complete seminar regarding a globe, the model of the earth. Let us start this seminar. Okay, before starting the seminar, I want to ask a simple question to you. You may answer this question. Yes, the question what means, what is the model of the earth? Yes, your answer is correct. The globe is the model of the earth. Why the globe only determines the model of the earth? Why? Why? Because of the earth contains water bodies, continents, countries and rivers, seas, etc. That all are contained by this globe, which is in small size. That means the earth had a big size, but the globe had a small size. By this way we can know the globe is the model of the earth. This is the picture of a globe. Have you understood this topic? Yes, I hope you all understood. Let's move to the next topic. Do you know why the earth is known as the blue planet? Yes, your answer is correct. The earth is known as blue planet because it contains the 71% of, that means 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. That means the seas, oceans. Okay? Have you understood this topic? Yes, I hope you all understood. Let us move to the another topic, the rotation of the earth. The rotation of the earth. This rotation of the earth causes the day and night. Why? Because when the sun is present, when the earth is slowly rotating, that time this backside part will come into the front. That time this sunrises will fall on the part. Okay? Have you understood this topic? Yes, I hope you all understood. Let us move to the another topic, revolution of the earth. Okay? Let's start this topic. Why the earth revolutes? Why? Why? Because it had an orbit that moves around the sun. It causes the seasons. Why? Because due to the causing of rotation and revolution, that time when the earth is moving, that time it determines the revolution. That means it is causing seasons. Have you understood this topic? Yes, I hope you all understood. Let us move to the another topic, latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes. Latitudes are very important for the earth to see the time or to determine a place. Okay? Latitudes. Latitudes are recommended to the east to the west side. Okay? is the picture of latitude. In this latitude, you can observe these imaginary lines. This helps us to see the time. Okay? Have you understood this topic? Yes, I hope you all understood. Now let us discuss about the longitudes. Okay? Longitudes are also the imaginary lines that passes from the north to south. That means the north pole to the south pole. It will help us to see the time and place. The latitudes and longitudes are not present on the earth. They are a rough diagram. Okay? Have you understood this topic? Yes, I hope you all understood. This is the picture of a longitude. Okay? Have you understood this topic? Yes. Let us move to the another topic. The orbit. Orbit is nothing but the imaginary line that is the path of the earth for revolution. Okay? Have you understood this topic? Yes, I hope you all understood. Thanks for spending your valuable time for watching my video. Stay home.